So in this video I will teach you how to answer the interview question, can you walk us through your resume? Now you will receive two example answers, one for those with working experience and one for those without working experience. And at last I will cover the most important interview tips for answering this question. Alright, so without further ado, let's start with the first example answer. Sure, so I grew up in a city where I attended high school. And as you can see, I joined school clubs, summer programs, and participated in sports events. I was always quite willing to talk and engage in activities with other people. In 2020, I graduated with a degree in human resources. I chose that field of study because, at some point in high school, I got interested in influencing, persuading, and helping others. However, one thing that I learned in college was that HR, as a career path, requires a lot of administrative work, such as forming and maintaining employee records, contracts, and recruitment guides, which does not really suit my profile. As for my career path, I would like to trigger emotional value and connection to a product or service. Now, the ability to create a need or appeal to social needs is a great motivator and gives me a sense of personal fulfillment. And that's also the reason why I attended a particular online course 6 months ago. I'm convinced that I could weave in the experience of a particular service, and that's why I applied for this position as a job role at company XYZ. Alright, so next up we have another example answer, but this time for those with working experience. So during my time at University XYZ, I started my career working as a door-to-door salesman, selling a particular product for a company called Company XYZ. There are two important lessons that I learned from this experience. The first thing that I learned was that direct sales as a career path requires an extremely extroverted personality and a sales mentality, which does not really suit my personality. The second thing, however, is that I learned how to trigger emotional value and connection to a product, instead of just seeing a particular product as purely functional. Now with selling this product, I could weave in the experience of barbecuing and the barbecuing memories that were involved, which really made an impact on the buying behavior of consumers. And these experiences actually led me to my marketing internship at XYZ company later in my college career. I knew that I didn't want to be directly in the sales side, but that I was, and still am, really interested in the emotional connection and how that drives customer purchasing decisions. So, at XYZ company, I collaborated with 2 webmasters, 3 content managers, and an SEO copywriter to create digital marketing campaigns. Now, our well-versed target advertisements increased user engagement across XYZ company's social media channels by 20% in a particular year. Now, I find that both of these experiences, direct sales and marketing, prepared me for performing task 1 and task 2 in the job description. Now let's cover the most important do's and don'ts. Do start at the beginning of your resume, towards the present day. Don't read what is actually on your resume, or list things like, first I did this, then I did that. You should fuse or connect experience together and build a narrative. Don't spend time talking about activities, skills, or experiences that are not relevant to the job role you are applying for. You need to share some key points and give a little summary of each experience. And try to make it quantifiable or measurable if possible. Alright, so in the next video you will find the perfect example answer to the interview question, why should we hire you? Now, if you would rather have the complete overview with the top 100 interview questions and answers, you can find the link in the description. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!